Welcome to Crypto Castle, where we demystify the world of cryptocurrency. Today, we're diving into the basics of this digital currency revolution. Cryptocurrency, a term that's been causing a stir in financial circles worldwide. But what is it really? In its simplest form, cryptocurrency is a type of digital or electronic currency, also known as cryptocurrency. It employs cryptography, a super secure form of network transactions, and operates independently of any central authority. Unlike traditional fiat currencies, such as the US dollar or the euro, cryptocurrency is decentralized. This means it's not controlled by any government or financial institution. Now let's talk about the big one, the kingpin of all cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the first and most recognized cryptocurrency. Introduced in 2009, Bitcoin's origin story is shrouded in mystery. An anonymous person or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto is believed to be the creator. Since Bitcoin's inception, countless other cryptocurrencies have emerged, each offering unique features and purposes. So, how does cryptocurrency work? At its core, cryptocurrency operates on blockchain technology. This is a decentralized and transparent ledger that records all transactions. Miners, individuals or groups who use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, validate and add transactions to the blockchain. Digital wallets and private keys are used to securely store and access cryptocurrencies. Why is cryptocurrency important? It has the potential to disrupt traditional financial systems, promote financial inclusion, and enable fast, secure transactions. Furthermore, cryptocurrency paves the way for decentralized applications, or dApps, which can revolutionize various industries. The impact of cryptocurrency is immense. It can reduce corruption, increase transparency, and enable peer-to-peer transactions without intermediaries. It also has the potential to empower individuals financially and contribute to economic growth. That's the basics of what cryptocurrency is, a decentralized digital form of currency. Stay tuned to our channel as we delve deeper into the intriguing world of cryptocurrency in our upcoming videos. Keep learning and stay curious. The story of cryptocurrency begins with Bitcoin, the first and most well-known of them all. In the heart of the financial crisis of 2008, a white paper was published under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. This paper, titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, outlined the framework for a new kind of digital money that was decentralized, transparent, and relied on cryptographic proof instead of trust. Bitcoin came to life in 2009, but the identity of its creator remains a mystery. Satoshi Nakamoto is a pseudonym, and despite various theories and claims, the true identity or identities behind this name remain unknown. Some believe Nakamoto is a solitary genius. Others speculate it could be a group of people. Regardless of who Nakamoto is, their invention has undeniably made waves around the globe. The creation of Bitcoin was more than just the birth of a new currency. It was the introduction of a new technology, the blockchain. This decentralized ledger records every Bitcoin transaction, promoting transparency and reducing the risk of fraud. The blockchain technology has since been adopted and adapted for various other uses beyond cryptocurrency. The emergence of Bitcoin sparked a digital gold rush. It inspired the creation of thousands of other cryptocurrencies, often referred to as altcoins. These include Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, and many more, each with its own unique features and uses. Some aim to improve upon Bitcoin's technology, others offer completely new functionalities. Bitcoin's creation also marked the beginning of crypto mining. This process involves powerful computers solving complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. In return, miners are rewarded with new Bitcoins, providing an incentive to maintain the network. And so, from the birth of Bitcoin, the world of cryptocurrency has only grown. Today, it's a vibrant and dynamic field that's constantly evolving. It's a world of innovative technology, financial speculation, and endless possibilities. Whether or not Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies will become a mainstream part of our financial systems is still up for debate, but there's no denying the impact they've already had. Now that we have a basic understanding of what cryptocurrency is, let's delve deeper into its operations. Cryptocurrency functions on the backbone of a technology known as blockchain. It's helpful to visualize blockchain as a digital ledger. Unlike traditional ledgers stored in a singular location like a bank, this digital ledger has distributed copies across a network of computers, referred to as nodes. Every transaction that takes place logged onto all these ledgers simultaneously. This decentralization is one of the crucial features that give blockchain its high security levels and transparency. You might be pondering, how do transactions get added to this blockchain? This is where miners enter the picture. Miners are individuals or groups who deploy powerful computers to solve complicated problems, essentially the locks on a block of transactions. Once a miner deciphers the problem, the block is added to the blockchain. As a reward, the miner receives a certain amount of cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin. This method is commonly referred to as proof of work. It's crucial to ignore the role of digital wallets and private keys in this process. Like you store your physical cash in a wallet, your cryptocurrency is stored in a digital wallet. This digital wallet can be a software application on your computer or smartphone, or even a physical device. Websites like www.allcoinwallets.com are excellent resources for researching crypto wallets and everything related to cryptocurrency. In your digital wallet, you have a public key, which is a digital address you share to receive funds, and a private key, which is like a secret PIN known only to you. This key allows you to access and manage your funds. So, to initiate a transaction, you send cryptocurrency from your wallet to another person's wallet using their public key. Miners then validate and add this transaction to the blockchain. However, bear in mind that losing your private key is similar to losing your physical wallet. There's no bank or credit card company to contact to recover it. Therefore, maintaining the of your key is paramount. In essence, cryptocurrency operates through the collective effort of a network of computers, all dedicated to validating and recording transactions. With its decentralized nature, advanced cryptography, and the use of digital wallets, cryptocurrency presents a secure and revolutionary financial. You may be wondering, why is cryptocurrency so important? Cryptocurrency isn't just a new trend or technological fad. It's a groundbreaking financial system that carries the potential to transform the way we conduct transactions, manage assets, and even how we think about money itself. Cryptocurrency disrupts traditional financial systems by decentralizing the control. Unlike conventional financial systems, where a central authority such as a government or a bank regulates transactions, cryptocurrencies operate on a network of computers spread across the globe. This means no single entity has control over the currency, which can promote financial inclusion and democratize wealth. Moreover, cryptocurrencies enable fast and secure transactions. With cryptocurrencies, you can send and receive money across the globe in a matter of minutes, not days. This speed can be a game changer for international business transactions or remittances sent home by workers abroad. Plus, the use of cryptographic techniques ensures these transactions are secure, providing a level of security that traditional financial systems can struggle to match. But it's not just about transactions and money transfers. Cryptocurrency is also opening up new avenues for innovation in the form of decentralized applications, or dApps. These are applications that run on a peer-to-peer network, rather than on a single computer. They leverage the power of blockchain, the underlying technology of cryptocurrencies, to create a decentralized internet. This could revolutionize various industries, from finance and healthcare to entertainment and social media. In essence, cryptocurrency is more than just a digital currency. It's a new way of thinking about finance and commerce, one that prioritizes decentralization, inclusivity, and security. It's a tool that could level the playing field in the global economy, giving people who have been sidelined by traditional financial institutions a chance to participate. The importance of cryptocurrency lies in its potential to revolutionize various aspects of our lives. It's not just about making money or investing in the next big thing. It's about embracing a technology that could change our world for the better. The impact of cryptocurrency on our world is immense. Just imagine a world where corruption is significantly reduced. Cryptocurrency, being a decentralized form of currency, operates outside the traditional banking system. This means that there is no central authority that can be manipulated or bribed. Every transaction is transparent and recorded on the blockchain for everyone to see, making it much harder for corrupt practices to take place. Now let's talk about transparency. In the world of traditional finance, transactions can often be opaque. You might not know exactly where your money is going or who is handling it. But with cryptocurrency, every transaction is recorded on a public ledger, the blockchain. This means that anyone can verify and trace transactions, promoting a higher level of transparency. Cryptocurrency also enables peer-to-peer transactions without intermediaries. Think about it, no more banks, no more credit card companies, just you and the person you're transacting with anywhere in the world. This not only makes transactions faster but also cheaper, as there are no middleman fees to worry about. But perhaps the most exciting impact of cryptocurrency is its potential to empower individuals financially. In many parts of the world, access to traditional banking systems is limited or non-existent. Cryptocurrency can change this, providing a means for people to store their wealth and make transactions regardless of where they live. This can contribute to economic growth, particularly in developing countries, by providing a financial system that is accessible to all. Indeed, the world of cryptocurrency is not just about digital money, it's about creating a more transparent and equitable financial system. It's about giving power back to the people and creating a world where financial inclusion is not just a dream but a reality. The impact of cryptocurrency is far-reaching and its potential is immense. As we continue to explore this fascinating world, it's important to remember that we are not just witnessing a technological revolution, but a social one as well. The world of cryptocurrency is not just about digital money. It's about creating a more transparent and equitable financial system. We've covered a lot today, from what cryptocurrency is to its potential impact on our world. Our journey began with understanding the basics of cryptocurrency, a unique form of digital currency that uses cryptography for secure transactions. It's a decentralized system, free from the control of any government or financial institution. We then turned the pages of history to the birth of Bitcoin in 2009. It was the first cryptocurrency brought to life by an anonymous entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, the crypto universe has expanded, welcoming numerous other cryptocurrencies, each with its own distinct features and purposes. Our exploration continued with how cryptocurrency works. We delved into the heart of this digital system, the blockchain technology. It's a transparent, decentralized ledger that records all transactions. The role of miners who solve complex mathematical problems to validate and add transactions to the blockchain was also highlighted. We learned about digital wallets and private keys that are used to securely store and access cryptocurrencies. We then analyzed the importance of cryptocurrency. It has the potential to disrupt traditional financial systems, promote financial inclusion, and enable fast and secure transactions. The scope of decentralized applications, or dApps, that could revolutionize various industries was also discussed. We concluded by examining the potential impact of cryptocurrency on our world, from reducing corruption and increasing transparency to enabling peer-to-peer transactions without intermediaries. Cryptocurrency can empower individuals financially and contribute to economic growth. In essence, cryptocurrency is not just a form of digital currency. It's a revolutionary technology that has the potential to reshape our world and the way we interact with it. We hope you've enjoyed this introduction to cryptocurrency. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content on cryptocurrency. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning. Before we wrap up, we want to make something clear. We at Crypto Castle are not financial advisors. Our content is purely informational and educational. We provide insights into the world of cryptocurrency, its history, workings, and potential impact. But we do not provide financial advice. We do not advocate for or against investing in any particular cryptocurrency. Our aim is to impart knowledge and fuel your curiosity about this fascinating digital universe. We encourage you to always do your own research, understand the risks, and consult with a professional financial advisor before making any financial decisions. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies, like any investment, comes with its own set of risks. It's essential to be well-informed and cautious. We're all about sharing information and sparking curiosity. Always do your own research before making any financial decisions. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep learning.